Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Solabrador token. Ticker symbol is SOBR. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting November 30th at 14 hours UTC time. We're going to go over the information on the Solabrador token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Solabrador token is being listed here November 30th at 14 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search SOBR, S-O-B-E-R, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So Solabrador is a unique meme token built on the Solana blockchain due to its cheap and fast transactions. Solabrador may be a meme token, but the true utility is the community within. Despite being relatively, they have amassed a rather large community. I guess they're supposed to say despite being relatively small, they've amassed a rather large community. Now they do have a decent amount of holders already. And they have over 4,000 holders. I was just checking out their Soul Scan. And their Soul Scan here says they have 4,190 holders, 9 decimal places on this token, and a current supply, I guess it started out as 1 billion. It's probably a deflationary token here. Right now it says current supply, 998,097.26 tokens. Now, the ticker symbol is SOBR. That's what you would search on Mexc Global. Now, they are also listed on Bitmart, it says, BingX. And if you wanted to get it off a decentralized exchange, it's available on Raydium and Jupiter. Now, this info here is available on their Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there. You can see it has the listings there. It has the token ID. They have 29,100 Twitter followers, and they just joined in November 2023. Brand new Twitter, a lot of followers already. 484 tweets, blue verified checkmark. At Solabrador, pretty easy to find that on Twitter. And then they have the link to their webpage on there, solabrador.xyz. On there, they also have they're listed on birdeye.so. And you can find that listing there on their pinned tweet. It's got a link to that. And it looks like they have NFTs as well. It says there's a partner named Rain here. It says I partner with Solabrador to do a giveaway, 1 Solabrador NFT. And you can find that in the most recent tweet here from 3 hours ago. Brand new tweet. It says ends in 24 hours. So I'm going to upload this video within the next hour or two. You'll be able to go check out that NFT giveaway on their page. It's basically a purple Labrador. Solabrador, there you go. Now, yeah, they do have a white paper, it looks like. I was looking at their CoinMarketCap listing. It says they have a white paper available on there. CoinMarketCap has this token listed on there. They do have a Discord group that you could join on their webpage, solabrador.xyz. And they have a button to buy off Raydium. They got some info on their page here. So it is a community-driven meme coin operating on the Solana blockchain. As the era of Ethereum-based meme coin wanes, a new era of Solana meme coins is dawning. Every thriving ecosystem requires a strong community project and a captivating meme coin. With Ethereum's decline and Solana's ascent, the demand for a robust meme coin project has never been greater. While the largest meme coin projects currently reside on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, this landscape is poised for a change. Enter the Sober token. Meme coins on Solana offer enhanced user-friendliness. Moreover, they provide more affordable exposure, making them accessible to everyone, as true meme coins should be. So they have the Memecoin on their webpage here. It says, as a community-focused project, our primary goal is to ensure a fair launch and equitable distribution. Our current plan includes, this is basically token allocation. 70% of the tokens, liquidity and farming, allocated to liquidity and farming rewards. 15% of the tokens are reserved for airdrops. 10% of the tokens dedicated to integration, grants, and marketing. And 5% of the tokens go to central exchange listings, integrations, just like this brand new Mexc global listing. It says unused tokens will be burnt. Additionally, we will provide $300,000 to $500,000 in initial liquidity and 0% transaction tax. So it looks like you won't have to worry too much about slippage on Raydium or Jupiter. Now, they have frequently asked questions. It says, do you plan to list on central exchange listings? Obviously. How can I participate in the airdrop? Follow the instructions on our pinned Twitter post. Ensure you meet all the criteria. What are the long-term goals of the Sober project? Our long-term goal is to establish Sober as a leading meme coin on the Solana ecosystem. Known for its strong community, innovative features, real-world applications, we aim to foster a sustainable and thriving ecosystem that contributes positively to the broader crypto community. And lastly, what makes Sober different from other meme coins? Sober stands out due to its unique focus on community-driven initiatives, lower transaction fees, and efficient scalability, all thanks to its foundation on the Solana blockchain. We aim to create a more inclusive and engaging experience for our users. So, yes, very much a meme coin. It's got some NFTs going on their Twitter if you want to check out that contest, like I said. You can get it off a few different exchanges, central exchanges and decentralized exchanges. There's airdrops, there's going to be marketing grants, liquidity and farming rewards. And that's basically about it. There's going to be some burning, no taxes. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.